Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna be making a hemp seed body butter with tea tree essential oil. So I'm gonna start by putting all my ingredients into my bowl. So now that all my ingredients are in my bowl, I'm gonna put this over about double boiler and I'll let it melt slowly. Probably will take like 20 to 30 minutes. So now that my oils are melted, I'm gonna add my cool down ingredients, which is vitamin E oil, and tea tree essential oil organic. I add in about 10 drops. So I'm just gonna stir it a little bit again. And now I'm gonna pour it into my tin jar here. And now I'm gonna pour it into my tin jar, and I'm gonna let this sit until it solidifies, and I'll be right back. And this is very moisturizing, especially in winter. It will help with dry skin.